with everything going on with the pandemic, there's a lot of home activities that are going on around the outside, building gardens, stuff like that. So people being out in nature, really gets them understanding what exactly they have going on around the outside and the different pests that can come up and around, and talking to different pest control companies or other operators, or even, a bunch of homeowners, really understanding the different things that can show up, especially the increased pest activity with the warmer season that's been brought on so far this year. We've been around since 2001. We've been serving the Des Moines metro area for over 20 years. Since then, our branches have been expanded quite a bit. Originally started off with just Jerry being a lone operator, and from there, right now here in Des Moines, we have 15 employees and serving our customers the best way we can. So originally it was founded back in 2001 by Jerry Miller. Be honest with you, I don't know when the website came around and when they decided on that domain name, but I know that a lot of our customers really know us by MillerTheKiller.com, and I want to plug my Kansas City branch manager, because one thing that I found to be absolutely catchy is MillerTheKiller.com, tell your dad, tell your mom, and that's one thing that he always uses whenever he goes out and talks to customers, and it's just been a huge benefit and something that customers easily remember. During the inspection, all of our technicians that complete those WDIs, or the Wood Destroying Insect Report, walk around the entire interior to inspect for any wood-destroying insect damage. A lot of people believe that that's just termites, but that also covers powder post beetles, false powder post beetles, carpenter ant damage, and quite a few more. So really what we do is we just go in there to assess the insect damage, see if there's any damage that's present, make sure that we mark it down on the report, and then submit it to the realtor once we complete it with our recommendations as far as if there needs to be treatment, or if there's no treatment recommended because we didn't find activity. One of the biggest things that you need to think of whenever you're going around and you're planting and you're changing the exterior of your home, how close to the structure you're planting those, how grouped together are they? Are they providing a nice harborage area? Is it providing a lot of food source? Are you picking up leaf material during the fall that gets collected up underneath those areas? It's really just about reducing conducive conditions around the outside to make your house less attractive to bug issues. So honestly, just making sure that you have your plants pulled out and away from the house, trim them at least a foot out away from the house. If you have any overgrown hedges, making sure that you trim those up to be at least anywhere between 12 to 18 inches cut above the soil surface, just so there's enough air movement down underneath there to reduce the moisture problems and the bugs that they bring. We do have protocols in place to where anytime that we enter a structure, we do have to wear a face mask or respirator depending on the products that we're applying. We also communicate from the initial office interaction with the customers, letting them know exactly what we do. Social distancing is extremely important, especially when we're going around on the inside of people's homes. We want to see, what areas that they want us to address or inspect, and then wearing gloves when we're around the inside as well, making sure that we touch as little as possible. And just sanitizing the vehicles and equipment anytime that we go inside outside, swapping gloves out, putting new gloves on to service the exterior. And we just want to make sure that we keep that open communication all the way around, so not only do the technicians know exactly what's expected of them, but our customers do as well.